Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace passenger side engine mount guys. This is the engine mount when you face the engine on the left side. Stay with us, we will explain how to do that. It's located right there. We will also explain how a bad engine mount can cause quite a bit of damage to your engine and the symptoms of bad engine mount. All that will be covered today. Make sure to stay until the end. Very helpful information will be shared with you guys in order to save you as much money as we can. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So this specifically guys, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we will be demonstrating on. This is a 2.4 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure will be about the same. Now this is the engine mount right here, that's what we need to remove. But when you remove that mount, nothing holds the engine on this side, it's just going to drop, and especially when you pull it out, you may get your fingers pinched and smashed, so you don't want that to happen. Another thing, in order to get to it, we need to remove that coolant overflow tank, because there is actually two bolts hidden underneath. Often, okay, most of the times you will have coolant somewhere between the low and the full mark. Now you have to, you can remove that thing without actually draining that coolant tank, and we'll explain how to do that. All you have to do, okay, get a 10mm socket and you're going to remove that bolt here. Okay, that's what we're doing now. And we have one more bolt guys, that's actually a little bit hidden towards the back side right there. Perfect. Alright, great. Now, what else we need to do? Just grab that thing, you have an overflow place on the back side, don't tilt it this way because it will leak, you can just put it on the side. This is the engine mount. Now, we need to support our engine on the bottom, and we actually need to lift it up about 1 inch because right now it's laying on the engine mount, so that engine mount is compressed. You will need to get a jack, okay, not just the jack itself because you will punch a hole in your oil pan. You need to get jack and wood box or a rubber box as well. And you will need to jack it up, careful not to bend your metal oil pan, okay? And we'll recommend to always guys, okay, support it with a jack stand as well. Let's just go a little, okay, that's it. That's I think that's good. And I'll recommend, okay, we'll recommend to use a jack stand as well, because if that jack fails, okay, it can, the engine can smash your fingers and you can lose your fingers, so you don't want that to happen. Next, we need to get a 17mm socket. We have a few, 3 nuts, and okay, 3 nuts and 1 bolt that we need to get loose. Okay, be careful not to move the car too much. Okay, perfect. Last one there. Now we recommend to remove that nut to be the last one to remove, the one in the middle. Leave it for last, okay, because you will notice if the engine starts dropping some later. So we will explain about that as we go. Now 14mm socket, we need to remove 4 more bolts. Perfect. Now the nut in the middle, we're going to leave it for last so it can center the engine if it starts dropping. We'll explain what we're talking about. One nut is out. Let's remove the bolt. Okay, now for the next one, just unscrew it a little bit and make sure the engine doesn't start dropping. Okay, it does. So what we need to do, we need to just jack it up a little bit, okay, to where the engine mount is supported. Perfect. And the engine is not hanging, because if it puts too much pressure, that mount may not come out. So okay, let's see now. Perfect, that came out. You can see 2 nuts, bolt, and this is your engine mount right here that we need to remove now. And this right here now guys, this will be your engine mount out of your Hyundai Sonata. Now, If you want to, guys, buy a new one for a good price, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Most of those are hydraulic fuel mounts. You can see there is like fluid oil inside to catch the fine vibrations. They easily go out on higher mileage vehicles. If you want to know what are the symptoms of bad engine mount on a Hyundai Sonata, we have the video on the channel, and it will explain also how a bad engine mount can cause quite a bit of damage to your vehicle. So please check it out. The video is called Symptoms of Bad Engine Mount on Hyundai Sonata. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having problems like that. If you need help with anything, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.